Are you eagerly waiting for the next iPhone? The iPhone SE 4 has generated a lot of excitement, and it's easy to see why. Apple's budget-friendly iPhone lineup has always attracted users who want a great phone at a lower price. With the release of the iPhone SE 4 fast approaching, this new model is expected to bring a range of exciting upgrades. But when will it be available? How much will it cost? And what features can we expect? Let's explore everything we know so far. According to several reports, the iPhone SE 4 is expected to be released in March 2025. Unlike Apple's regular iPhone models, which follow a predictable release schedule, the SE series has often been more unpredictable. However, reliable sources suggest that March 2025 is the most likely timeframe for the new model. Apple tends to host a spring event to launch its budget-friendly iPhones, and with production for the iPhone SE 4 already underway, it seems likely that it will be unveiled around that time. As for the price, the iPhone SE 4 is expected to cost between $450 and $500, with some sources suggesting a slightly higher range of $499 to $549. While a price increase is likely due to the upgrades, many users will find the extra cost worthwhile given the improved features. One of the reasons behind the potential price rise is Apple's decision to use its own cellular modem, which would lower costs by eliminating the licensing fees paid to Qualcomm. One of the most exciting upgrades for the iPhone SE 4 is its design. Rumors suggest that the device will feature a sleek 6.1-inch display, similar to the iPhone 14 with a notch at the top. This would be a significant upgrade from the design of the previous model, which looked a bit outdated. Leaked images have even compared the iPhone SE 4 side by side with the iPhone 16, providing us with a glimpse of what to expect. If these leaks are accurate, the iPhone SE 4 will have a more modern and premium look. Under the hood, the iPhone SE 4 is expected to be powered by Apple's A18 chip, paired with 8 GB of RAM. This upgrade will bring faster performance, improved processing power, and smoother multitasking. The device will be capable of running demanding apps with ease, and the extra RAM will help unlock advanced features, such as Apple Intelligence, which will make the phone smarter and more intuitive. The camera is another area where the iPhone SE 4 is expected to see big improvements. For years, iPhone SE models have lagged behind flagship iPhones in terms of camera quality, but that may change with the iPhone SE 4. Leaks suggest that the rear camera will be upgraded to 48 megapixels, a significant leap from the 12 megapixel camera on the previous model. Additionally, the front camera might be bumped up to 12 megapixels, an improvement over the 7 megapixel front camera found on earlier versions. Battery life is also expected to see improvements with the iPhone SE 4. Leaked reports suggest that the device will come with a 3279 mAh battery, which is much larger than the 1821 mAh battery in the iPhone SE 3. This increase in battery size should result in noticeably longer battery life, allowing users to get through the day without constantly reaching for a charger. In terms of storage, the iPhone SE 4 is expected to start with 128 GB of storage, a big improvement over the 64 GB found in previous models. There may also be additional storage options such as 256 GB and 512 GB to cater to users who need more space for their photos, videos, and apps. The addition of 8 GB of RAM means the phone will be able to handle demanding tasks with ease, ensuring that performance remains smooth even with heavy usage. The iPhone SE 4 is also expected to feature Face ID, replacing the home button with facial recognition. This is in line with Apple's trend of removing physical buttons in favor of biometric authentication. Additionally, the iPhone SE 4 may include the Action button, first introduced on the iPhone 15, which will provide users with even more convenience and functionality. As for the software, the iPhone SE 4 will likely come pre-installed with iOS 18, Apple's latest operating system. This will offer a smooth, responsive user experience with plenty of new features and improvements. Are you excited for the iPhone SE 4? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.